Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious jam. First, select the freshest, ripest fruit available for optimal flavor and natural pectin. Sterilizing your jars and lids thoroughly is crucial for safe, long-lasting jam storage. You will also need to gather necessary equipment such as a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a ladle, and a canning funnel. These initial steps are vital for a successful and enjoyable jam-making experience, setting the foundation for your homemade treat. Now let's get cooking. Combine your prepared fruit, sugar, and a touch of lemon juice in a large pot. The lemon juice helps with the set. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly to prevent any sticking or scorching. Continue to cook until the jam reaches its setting point, which is typically around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This stage is where the magic happens, transforming fruit into luscious jam. Once your jam has been cooking for a while, it's time to check for the set. You can test this using the cold plate method or a reliable candy thermometer. A good set means the jam wrinkles when gently pushed on a chilled plate, indicating it will thicken properly. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. This space is important for proper sealing. For the final steps, wipe the jar rims clean before securely fastening the two-piece lids onto each jar. This prevents any contamination. Next, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This creates a vacuum seal, ensuring freshness. Once cooled, store your sealed jam in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year of delicious enjoyment. Now you have homemade jam ready to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.